Hey guys, it's me, Sunday Funday AM 2010. I'm gonna do a bike check. To my Sunday stand. I have Sunday forks, Sunday bars, Ross grips, odyssey bar ends, brush brake lever, normal cable, Alex rims, 20.25 in the front, and 1.95 in the back. I got odyssey twisted PC pedals. I got a new bottom bracket because the stock one I cracked it. I got this one for free from the bike shop I bought the bike from. I got a Sunday seat clamp, odyssey Etiken seat. I want to change this mechanism because I find it makes the bike way heavier. I want the mechanism, the better one there. The one where it curves there with grooves. I got Alex rims, 9 tooth sprock in the back and 25 tooth in the front. I don't know if it's better if I buy Odyssey hazard light rims in complete or just the wheel and build it up. I wanted to get some black Odyssey hazard light rims with maybe red spoke nipples in the back and maybe yellow ones in the front. Please comment and subscribe and comment on what color I should put, or I would have put maybe a red, like red in the back and purple in the front. I don't know yet. So please comment for the colors of the rims or whatever. If it's better if I buy the whole complete wheel set of Odyssey hazard light or just buy the wheel. So yeah, thanks.